Today I quiet my mind. I take a deep breath, and I feel the presence of peace surrounding me. As I inhale, I receive light. As I exhale, I release everything that no longer serves me. I breathe again. I receive calm. I let go of anxiety. I breathe once more. I receive hope. I release all fear. In this moment, I declare, my mind is free. My mind is clear. My mind is light. I am not my thoughts. I am greater than them. I am the awareness that observes. I am the strength that chooses. I am the energy that creates. If a negative thought appears, I do not follow it. I simply observe. I let it go. I allow it to dissolve into the light. Nothing can chain me to the past. Nothing can imprison me in pain. Nothing can steal the peace that lives within me. I am peace. I am light. I am strength. I am balance. Once again, I affirm, I am peace. I am light. I am strength. I am balance. Every word I speak creates a new reality. Every thought I choose opens new paths. And today I choose harmony. Today I choose trust. Today I choose faith. I feel a golden light descending upon me. It surrounds my mind, my heart, and my whole being. This light dissolves fear. This light dissolves anger. This light dissolves sadness. And what remains is calm. What remains is love. What remains is trust. I see myself protected. I see myself strengthened. I see myself embraced by the sacred. I now welcome thoughts of love. I now welcome thoughts of gratitude. I now welcome thoughts of prosperity. Everything that does not help me, I release. Everything that does not lift me, I let go. Everything that does not belong to my light, I surrender. My mind is a sacred garden, and in this garden, I choose to plant only seeds of kindness, joy, and abundance. Every thought is a seed. Every word is a seed. Every action is a seed. And I choose to sow only that which brings life, peace, and love. I repeat within, I am peace, I am light, I am strength, I am balance. Again I declare, I am peace, I am light, I am strength, I am balance. I attract only what vibrates at the frequency of my peace. I attract only what vibrates at the frequency of my light. I attract only what vibrates at the frequency of my gratitude. My mind creates my reality, and I choose to create a reality of prosperity, abundance, and joy. I choose a life of calm, balance, and trust. I choose to walk in faith, in love, and in light. Today I release the past. Today I detach from fear. Today I welcome trust in the sacred. I do not carry burdens that are not mine. I do not feed pains that do not belong to me. I simply move forward, light, confident, and at peace. And in this final moment, I declare, my mind is clear, my heart is light, my life is guided by divine light. I live in peace. I live in peace. I live in peace. Amen.